Hello, I'm Jason from Road Rescue. Today this video, I'm going to show you how to change your tires to your own spare tires in the back of your cars. These are the tools you need: scissors jack, jack lever, and nut wrench. Position the scissors jack at the point indicated on the car. Jack your car up so that the tire no longer touch the ground. A few centimeters is enough. Using the nut wrench to remove all of the wheel nuts. When it's properly loosened, take out the wheel. Put on the spare tires. Tighten all 5 nuts. Lower your car using the scissors jack until the tire makes contact with the ground and remove the scissors jack. So everyone, this is how you change your tire using your own spare tires. But please do take note, this is temporary usage. If you face any difficulty, please contact Road Rescue.